Bossman with Richard Ranch, and y'all have to check out this cool generator. It's a Genmax tri-fuel. This thing is electric start or pull rope. It'll run off of gas, propane, and natural gas. This thing has a 6 3/4 gallon gas tank. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna start it. I got the propane hooked up to it. Go ahead and turn the propane tank on. Press my power button. Okay, let me press my electric start. Runs good. All right, now let's stop it. And as y'all can see, I have it on the propane setting right now. This is the natural gas setting. And this is regular gas setting. But in our case, we're gonna run it off of propane. So this is our pull rope for if your battery goes dead or you don't have a battery anymore, but who wants to pull whenever you can electric start? And the good thing, it's portable. Look how easy it is. Comes with a heavy duty handle. Move it any direction you want. Pull this little latch to drop the handle and plug it in at your destination. Click on the affiliate links below to order yours today and to get more information. I'm Bossman with Richard Ranch Small Engine Repair. God loves you. He wants you to prosper. Go be blessed.